If you're ever having like Roblox runtime errors or Roblox server errors or something like that, well, the first thing you're gonna want to do is open up Chrome, go to this website, which is in the description, which tells you if Roblox server is up, because it could be down and it could be not your fault. Then you're just gonna have to wait until they're back up. But if it says user report indicates that there's no problems at Roblox, then what you're gonna want to do is go to the next step, and that is the good old-fashioned restart computer. And you're gonna restart your computer by going to the Windows icon, clicking power, and clicking restart. Now start it up again if you have the same issue. Then you're gonna wanna go to the next step. And the next step is you're gonna wanna go to some sort of speed testing thing to see if you even have internet or like a fast internet. And you're just gonna wanna like let it run. One I have here is fast.com. I'll have it also linked in the description. And if it says your internet's fine, like mine is, it just says a good speed, then what you're gonna wanna do is go to the next step. Well, first of all, if it says there's an error and you have no internet, first of all, I don't know how you got to the website. Second of all, you're going to want to go to your router, unplug it for about 5 to 10 seconds, then plug it back in, and then wait for it to go back on. And then you should have internet. If that doesn't work, then you have another issue. Try to figure out why you have no internet. That's another video on its own. Another issue is you could have a VPN that's just like making your internet suck, or could be an issue. So turn that off. Most likely not the problem, but you never know. Check it out. Now, if that doesn't work, you want to go to the next step. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull out your trusty keyboard. This is a visual representation. You type in CMD, right? And then you open. You're gonna wanna type IP config / flush DNS and enter. And then that'll reset your DNS. And that could possibly fix the problem, but if not, then you're gonna have to go to the next thing. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to check your firewall. So you go to Windows settings, and now you're in Windows settings. Should probably close that. Let's full screen this. And you wanna go to updates and security. And you're gonna wanna go to the Windows security tab, which is right there. You wanna go click on firewall and network protection. Then once you click on that, you're going to want to click allow an app through the firewall. Now this should pop up. You're going to want to look for Roblox. You're going to want to allow Roblox. And once you find it, you got to make sure both of these boxes are checked. Public and private. Make sure they have a check mark in them, okay? If they are checked, now this is the last step. And after this, it should be working. You're going to close that. Close all this. Not really though. You're gonna go back into settings, back to the home page. You're gonna open network and internet. Click on properties and click edit DNS. And you're gonna want to set this one to 8888 or 8.8.8.8. And then the alternate, you're gonna want to set to 8.8.4.4. You want to click save. And then go back under Roblox and check if it's working. At that point, Roblox should be working. And that's all. This is my first video. Hopefully it helps you. If not, good luck troubleshooting.